Everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens 8 box Stature break 3298. So before we get rocking and rolling here, current day and time, it's Thursday, November 24th at 7:47 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and Thursday, November 24th at 10:47 p.m. Eastern Time Zone. Live on Breakers, live on YouTube, and of course, Fred has this on our break site. So there we'll have a break-in posted tomorrow here for you guys. And team buys. Ducks belongs to Arai Snowball. Going on to Collectibles 1967. And Sebados with the Penguins going to Rick Full. There we go, guys. So happy Thanksgiving to people across the or in the US there. Across the border there. Good luck, guys. Anything else? Stature. Tomorrow we got Black Diamond coming up for you guys. So here we go. Kicking off with a Patrick Laine for the Blue Jackets. Mark Scheifele for the Jets. Keegan Kolesar, $3.99. Martin Brodeur, $1.75. Anthony Angelo, $1.75 for the Penguins. And Mikhail Maltsev out of $99 for New Jersey. And Protege Blue, 18 of 25, Jason Robertson. Let's hit Dallas. Going on to Sebados, Sebastian. And Alex Belzau at $1.99 for the Canadiens. Going to J-Bay. And Proteges Igor Shranakovich. So that's Steven Stamkos for the Lightning. Daniel Sedin for Vancouver. Matthias Brome, $3.99 for the Red Wings. And Lanny McDonald out of $9.99 for the Flames. And Austin Strand, number 5 of $1.75 for LA. And Ty Dellandrea, 52 of 85 for Dallas. And Jack Rathbone, number 1 of 15 for Vancouver. Going out to Ray, 21-21. And Gravitas of Mark Stone. Out to Vegas there. Got Brian Chen for the Blues. Nikita Kucherov for the Lightning. Brandon Hagel for the Blackhawks. And Century Momentous Daniel Sedin out of $1.49. And Sebastian Aho, $1.75. And Carter Hart, 32 of 45 for the Fly. And Protege patch out of number 10 of 24. We got Tyler Benson. TB. Going out to Sebastian Sebados. And Gravitas of Nico Hischier. What team do you have in this one here, Pascal? Here you got Carolina. So we got base Sidney Crosby, Anthony Mantha for the Red Wings, Alec Regula, 399, and Patty Waugh, 39 of 99 portrait for the Avalanche. Set there. And Daniel Sedin, number 19 of 99 for Vancouver. And a red, number 3 of 25, Jerry Cheevers for the Bees. And Protege, Mikey Anderson, number 4 of 49. Going out to Burad. And Century Momentous, Patty Waugh. Yeah. So we got Lanny McDonald for the Flames, Cale Makar for the Avalanche, Kirill Kaprizov, 399 for the Wild, and Sebastian, Ty Smith, 399, and Evgeny Malkin out of 99 for Pittsburgh, and Billy Smith, 175 for the Isles, and 11 of 20 black Josh Bailey. Going on to the Islanders, and Dan, and Yanni Hakanpää, 103 out of 199. On to A-Res, or A-Ray Snowball. So here's Anaheim there. And Proteges, Vitek Vanacek. Playing very well this year. Box 6. Got Nick Lidstrom for the Red Wings. Got Evgeny Malkin for the Penguins. Dylan Coughlin, 399. And Steve Yzerman, number 6 of 175 for the Red Wings. And Gravitas of Artemi Panarin, 149. And Nicholas Malosh, number 3 of 25 for the Sharks. And Joe Hoffer, 18 of 45 for the St. Louis Blues. That's a Hoffer break from Lyle. Or, sorry, I think that's the first one. We hit Rathbone earlier. Josh Norris. The Sens. Mr. Joe Hoffer, the last goalie to actually score a legit goalie goal in a pro league. Box 7. Got Peter Bondra for the Washington Capitals. Matt Tkachuk for the Flames. Nicholas Boudin, 399. Our team Zagadolin, 175 for the Flames. Jake Evans out of 99. And our team Zoob, number 6 of 45 for the Sens. And Jason Robertson, 43 of 49 green color match. Got a Sebastian. And Tyler Benson. Got that. Yeah, that darn cold going on. Alright. Box number 8 here. Brent Burns for the Sharks. Mitch Marner for Toronto. Reed Duke, 399 for Vegas. Connor Hellebuck, 175. Brad Marchand, 32 of 85 for the Bruins. And Alex DeBrincat updates Stature Auto. Go to Sebastian. And Jake Evans, number 63 of 199. On to J-Bay. And Mitch Marner, Gravitas for Toronto. So, there we have it, guys. So that concludes our break here. Appreciate everyone for watching and joining. Tomorrow is Black Diamond and Series 1, so happy Thanksgiving to friends over in the